What up, peeps? It's Nez, and I'm out in the backyard doing some more DIY. And this time, I figure, you know what? I'm halfway into the project, so I'm also just film what I've got, and then we go through finishing. So what I'm building this time, or I should say, what I'm doing this time, is making a new walkway. Now, so far, I dug up the path, well, partially dug up the path. I still got a little ways to go. Everywhere I have it marked off all the way down there. I still have like one little patch of grass left. And then I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those pavers, those are the old pavers I had down. And I'm gonna put these new big pavers down there, and I'm gonna put some white stone on the side of it. I'm gonna lay down, I'm gonna, even all that out, tamp that out, and I'm gonna lay down some barrier like I have over here. I figured, you know what, I freshened up my my edge to the pool over there. I'm working on that, but this is what we're doing. So when I finish digging this up and I straighten it out and lay down the barrier, then we'll come back in and start laying some pavers down. So I will catch you on the flip. Okay, we're back in. As you see, this is where we are so far. I laid down the barrier. I finished digging it out first, then I laid down the barrier. I put down my pavers, and I just got to even these bad boys out, properly spaced. And then I'm gonna throw down the white rocks that you see here on the side, and I'll show you the finished product. So I will catch you when I'm all done. And let me tell you, that edging is gonna come in clutch, trust. Well, we back in. It's been a very long day. We've been digging up grass and laying down some barriers and dropping these pavers, which I might add are 90 pounds each paver, 90 pounds. And then these bags of rocks are like 60 pounds each. So like, my back is killing me right now, but look how she looks, right? And the sad part about it is that it's not even complete, because I'm literally like 2 bags short. Ain't that something? I miscalculated by like 2, maybe 3 bags to finish it off, but it's all right. I'll go pick those up tomorrow morning and I'll finish this off. But this is what she looks like. Got the white rocks down, got the big 24 by 24 inch or 2 feet by 2 feet 2 square feet pavers, 90 pounds each. I just want to keep reiterating that. What I did was I used a hack to keep another barrier to keep weeds from growing. I learned lay trash bags down, like the black hefty trash bags, and then lay your weed barrier on top of that, and then your rocks and your paver. And there's essentially no way for weeds to get up, because one, when rainwater goes down there, it won't drain through underneath to feed the weeds. So if any weeds do grow, it's going to grow on the outside, but it's not going to grow in the middle, unless of course it gets punctured somehow. But yeah, this is what she looks like, right? Looking good, right? I just got to trim the extra black plastic bag from the edges there, and then I'm gonna finish off over there. The rest of it is just cosmetic. But yeah, so this has been the DIY how-to of how to lay down your own paver walkway. I know I didn't go in too much detail, but the detail that I did go into should be enough. It should suffice for you to do it yourself. But yeah, I'm Nez. If I can do it, you can too. Save yourself $1,000 and do it yourself. And I'm out this piece.